What's up, guys? Thanks so much for tuning in today's video. Kara from KSquad here if you're new, and on this channel I like to inspire you to do it your way. Y'all already know we got another Kayali drop. I wanted to come on and give my thoughts. I did wear this 2 days ago. On Monday, Sephora dropped early access to the new Kayali Fleur Majesty fragrance, so I went ahead and picked it up. Got it delivered on Tuesday and definitely wore it on Wednesday. I wore it actually layered, but this is not a scent that you need layered. If you want to know my thoughts on the Kayali Fleur Majesty scent, definitely continue watching. They have 4 different sizes that you can get. I purchased the mini size that comes in the same packaging of like the regular size bottle. This retails for $32. They also have a travel spray, like the spray pen, which you can get for $29. They have the $100 one, which is 1.7 fluid ounces, and then they have the 3.4 fluid ounce at $138. This is a 10 millimeter, so it's 0.34 fluid ounces, and believe it or not, the travel spray is the same size. It's just, you know, you don't get the cute bottle. So I do pay the extra $3 just to get a cute bottle. Because if you can see up there, I have my whole little Kayali fragrance collection. Stay tuned towards the end because I'm going to rank my entire Kayali fragrance collection. And let's see where this one actually lands. Here we are with Fleur Majesty in all its glory. I love the ombre bottle. Like, first of all, purple is one of my favorite colors, so the fact that it starts from purple and ombre is up to that pink, everything about this is so pretty. But what really matters is the scent, so I'm gonna go here and let's see how they describe it. On Sephora, they say it's a timeless, romantic, and sensual Fleur Majesty Rose Royale number 31 is a glorious symphony of juicy pear, sweet peach, enchanting rose, pink peony, violet, wood, and purple musk. Perfect for any season. You can wear it alone or layer it with your favorite fragrance to create your own unique mood. And when I wore it, I actually did layer it because the day that I got it delivered, I wore Angum, which I'm actually wearing today, which is like a vanilla based fragrance. And I actually layered it with the new Octavia Morgan dark rose scent because of the fact that it's a rose scent. I just knew it would go perfect with this. I did enjoy it. I will say that this new Kayali Fleur Majesty Rose Royale scent, this might be the longest lasting Kayali fragrance that they actually have because it went well into the night. Before I took my shower, I still actually smelled it that night. So I was like highly impressed. Again, I did layer it, so I don't know if the layering combination played a part in that, but I was really impressed. I definitely smelled the rose. It is rose heavy. On the box, they do have the notes. So the key notes include juicy pear, sweet peach, rose royale, pink peony, violet wood, and purple musk, which is exactly what I just said there on Sephora's website. I'm not wearing this scent today. I'm going to spray the box just so I can, you know, refresh my memory on how it smelled. Definitely rose heavy, like super rose heavy. I do get a hint of the peach, and the pear is blended in there as well. Pink peony, it adds that softness to it, so you definitely get that floral vibe. Of course, floral with the rose as well. Violet wood and purple musk. The bottle just puts you in that element of like that purple kind of bubble that you get. But this is nice and vibrant. When I tell you, like, it is a burst of scent, oh my gosh, this smells really good. And I'm not like the biggest rose lover. I do have the Perfumes de Marly Delina, and when I tell you the Kayali puts me in the mindset of Delina, big time. The only thing about Kayali is just a little bit more fruity, and I think that's coming from the peach and the pear, but definitely rose heavy for sure. So this definitely puts me in the mindset of Delina. Of course, Delina is going to be a little bit longer lasting, a little bit more potent, but don't get it twisted. I think you can achieve the same vibe of this $300 bottle of fragrance with the Kayali version of it. And again, we went over the prices and the different sizes that they have available for this. Love that. So far so good with this one. I'm not wearing it today, like I said, but I can definitely see me going into spring with this scent. So let me know, are y'all interested in trying Fleur Majesty from Kayali? I think this is going to be a good one for spring, guys. Let me know if you got your nose on it already. Are you interested in it? Let me know. I have 12, well now 13 of the travel sprays, and then I also have one double-sided rollerball type situation. So basically like 14 cents of the 14 different fragrances of the Kayali line that I have that I'm going to rank for you guys. So if you want to know my ranking of the Kayali fragrances, let's get into it now. Alright y'all, so my fragrance ranking is going to take place on the shelf where I keep my minis and my travel sprays, especially my Kayali scent collection. As I stated previously, I have 13 of the travel sprays, and I also have one double-sided scent, which one of the sides is actually a duplicate of one of the travel sprays I have, but we'll get into that further into the ranking. So starting from the bottom, now we here, unfortunately, it's the Deja Vu White Flower. This one is very mature smelling to me, and one of Kayali's really early fragrance releases. I was trying to get into them, bought this one, thought I liked it, but I really don't. It's not my kind of vibe. Very mature smelling in my opinion. Then we have the Sweet Diamond Pink Pepper. Kind of similar kind of feelings when it comes to this one. This is an OG Kayali scent from like their original releases. And I was a fan of Pink Pepper back then, but not so much anymore. So that's why it's ranking, unfortunately, at number 2. Gasp! Oh my gosh, the Wedding Silk Santel is her number 11 Kayali fragrance. Well, yeah, it is. I just think it's kind of a basic scent. I think it was super overhyped, and it's just not my kind of vibe. If you're like, you know, a foo-foo la-la pretty girl, maybe you'll like it, and you just like the thought of liking it. That's what I think when people love that scent so much. I just think they like the thought of liking it. But again, not my kind of vibe. Moving on to Capri in a Bottle. This is just very citrusy, a lemon scent. Nothing special about it. I don't find like it's, you know, it has too much depth to it. It doesn't last too long either. This is one of the Kayali scents that doesn't have that longevity there, so I definitely have to layer this one. I think it will warm up nicely in the warmer months, and I'll definitely be putting it more to use then, but not really my favorite. Moving on to the Love Fest Burning Cherry. This one actually is really nice, but it is like one step away from being that medicinal kind of cherry. It is a very potent cherry kind of scent, heavy and smoky, but it's okay. I mean, I really can't say nothing mad about it besides the fact that it is almost teetering on the point of medicinal. I'm going to place the newest one, the Kayali Fleur Majesty. I'm going to place the rose scent here because, again, rose scents are not hugely my vibe. You would think, like, why would I buy this? Because it's a Kayali scent and I wanted to try it. And for now, this is going to rank here. Let's see if my love for this grows, especially the fact that I'm layering it with the Octavia Morgan scent that I told you guys about, as well as I have Delina in my collection, so it'll probably layer good with that as well. I'm going to continue playing around with this. Again, I only worn this on my body one time, so right now that's where it's falling into my ranking. But from this point on, these are going to be some of my favorite Kayali scents, starting off with the Cocoa Utopia. Now, I am not the hugest coconut scented fan, but when I tell you this one, there's just something about it. Like, it smells so good. On the opposite end of this duo is the Sweet Diamond Pink Pepper. You can see it's completely full because I really just don't reach for that one. And how to end up with a travel size bottle, I don't even know. But the Utopia, the Cocoa Utopia, bomb, smells so good. And it's a rollerball, this double-sided thing, so that's why I don't use it as much. But I do plan to actually use it up, especially with the upcoming warmer seasons coming up. Similar vibes when it comes to the Sparkling Lychee. This one is very vibrant, very fruity. During this time, I was really getting into the lychee fragrances, and I think they did this one really nicely. Very fruity, and it's just very enjoyable. Now, when it comes to Vanilla Candy Rock Sugar, this one is very, very, very sweet, in my opinion, and it's just very vibrant and bubbly. The only thing about this one, I actually have a dupe in my collection of this scent, and I actually prefer the dupe better, only because the bubblegum in this Vanilla Candy Rock Sugar is so heavy, and I'm not the hugest bubblegum fan, but I do like the scent. Then we're gonna move on to the Oudgasm Vanilla Oud. When I tell you this was love at first sniff, I think this is a really approachable oud if you're not familiar with oud fragrances, but you do love vanilla. This is just like the perfect blend, and I absolutely love this one. One of my all-time favorites is the Juicy Eden Apple. This is actually my second travel spray of this one. I went through a full bottle of it and I repurchased it again just because, you know, the aesthetics I have going on. All my bottles are the travel sprays, so I kind of stick to those. But absolutely love Juicy Eden Apple. Oh my gosh, it's just like the freshest apple scent, and it's just so perfect. Even though we had Wedding Silk Santal at the bottom, right here in my top 3, we have the Wedding Velvet Santal. Now, this collection was like, you know, I think Mona was getting married and she came out with 2 scents. It's supposed to be like, I think this one is supposed to be like the manly version of the duo, but to me, it's not manly. It doesn't smell like cologne or anything. It's just a good vibe, and I absolutely love the Wedding Velvet Santal. This is one that I can see myself ending up getting another bottle of it because I will end up finishing that. Now moving on to the Yum Pistachio Gelato. Oh my gosh, when I say this like kind of introduced my love for pistachio scents in a way, I fell in love with the Yum Pistachio Gelato. And then the same thing when it comes to the Yum Bougie Marshmallow. That's why in my video when I had when I reviewed the Yum Marshmallow, I said just give me Yum everything because these scents are so bomb. It's just like a nice fluffy bubble. This is when I found out that Kayali was extending their longevity and their projection, and I just started becoming a real lover of the Kayali scent. So there we have it. That is my full ranking of all the Kayali scents that I have in my collection. Let me know, are any of these your favorites? What's your favorite? What would be your top 3 if you have a Kayali collection as well? I want to know all the details, all about it. Share with me down in the comment section below. Actually film this b-roll footage after I was trying to figure out how I was going to rank these, so you don't see the Fleur Majesty in this ranking, but you do see me insert it here because I told you it's going to fall right after my Cocoa Utopia. But from Cocoa Utopia and up, I love every one of those scents. Kayali, that's like more than half of my collection, and I can say Fleur Majesty is right there, dab in the middle of all the scents that I love from Kayali so far. So there you have it, guys. Those are my Kayali fragrances ranked. A couple of years back, me and Babe had did a video. He was helping me rate the Kayali fragrances, so I'm going to put that up there as well because a lot of those fragrances in that travel set, I don't have those fragrances. But with Kayali, I find that the more fragrances that they release, I'm becoming more of a lover of the Kayali fragrances. Like the Vanilla 28, not my favorite. Well, it's like a smoky gourmand kind of vanilla, and it's not just my vibe. I've tried it numerous times and I just don't like it. And I am a vanilla lover, not my favorite kind of vanilla, so I really don't mess with the Vanilla 28 like that. There's just gonna be some in the ranking that you just don't see, and that's a big part of the reason why. Like Kayali, they slowly grew on me. For me, like the longevity wasn't there, and I didn't feel like it was worth the money. But when they started their more recent releases, that's when I became a lover. Like when it comes to the Yum Pistachio and the Yum Gelato. No, what is it called? The Yum Marshmallow. My faves. Just wanted to explain to you guys why you may see that some of the quote-unquote infamous Kayali scents are missing from my collection. It's just because I just don't vibe with them like that. So y'all can check out that video that we have linked up in the cards, or I'll leave it at the end of the video so you guys can click it after you finish watching this one. Just from the longevity alone and the burst of scent that you get, like this is so prominent. I still smell the rose even though I sprayed it a couple of minutes ago. This is definitely one that's going to be really enjoyable in the spring. You see where it fell in the ranking, but let's see if it moves on up eventually. So let me know your thoughts on the new Kayali Fleur Majesty Rose Royale. Have you gotten your nose on it? I want to know all about it. What's your thoughts on it? KSquad, thanks for tuning in to another one. It is truly appreciated. Hope you guys out there are having a great day or night whenever you're watching this video, and I hope to catch each and every one of you in the next one. Until next time, y'all, stay blessed. Later, guys. Later, y'all.
Take it slow. Just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time.